Thank you everybody for joining us here today at Jazmine's Hike. We are thrilled that you could join us take the steps that Jazmine couldn't, and to help us raise awareness and attention for pediatric cancer and for the work that we do at Jazmine's Journey, which is to help families who have children in cancer treatment or in any sort of medical need, that we're able to help them with some support, especially on the non-medical side. And we really focus on raising that awareness for pediatric cancer in honor of Jazmine. And we are thrilled that everybody could join us here today. Every dollar raised today goes to help University of Arizona's Steele Children's Research Center to advance pediatric cancer research and the great work that they are doing to help with innovative treatments. We are so excited to be able to help support this work. So, speaking of great work, we are excited to welcome Dr. Giovanna Late, a postdoctoral research associate at the University of Arizona with Dr. Emmanuel Quinsanis Laboratory. Her research focuses on how exercise influences the immune system, particularly in the context of hematologic malignancies. She works with immunotherapy in hematologic malignancies, aiming to bridge sports, science, and oncology to help improve outcome for patients. She holds a bachelor's degree in sports physiology and a master's health science from Federal University of Sao Paulo. She earned her PhD in sports physiology at the University of Sao Paulo, Brazil, where she is from. And we are so excited to have her here today and online to all of our folks who are viewing. We are thrilled to be able to partner and to have you share your expertise and knowledge. And will you please help us welcome Dr. Lates.
Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here, and I guess I can say that in very different ways. I guess the first one is because I do work with exercise and cancer, and we are going for a hike. So you're literally doing part of what I really do at the bench at the lab. And yeah, so the first thing I would say, I would thank you, all of you, because all the money that we are raising here today, it is to help exactly what we do, helping us to doing science, just maybe being able to bring hope on this field, because that is what we literally do. We are there thinking and trying, and doing so many different possibilities, trying to put the treatments to be better, trying to put those kids and their families to have more hope, and also maybe having a bigger percentage of those kids just going home and having a big future, and that is something that when I started to work with infantis cancer, I was kind of sad, because when I got this position here, I was in Brazil, as how you know, and when my boss just hired me, I was I don't know if I can handle, just be at the hospital and just being with those kids. But then when I just started to make the assays, and I'm gonna explain a little bit about this, and we started to get nice data, I just changed my entire perspective on it, because what we are doing there is just putting them to have a life, and putting them to have a future maybe, and also bringing this to their families. So one of the things that we do, it is a clinical trial that we are trying to see how the physical level, basically the fitness level of those kids, after a transplantation, can help them to support basically the treatment. If the ones that they are more active, they can have maybe less side effects, they can have less host disease after transplantation. And when we go there, when we talk to their families, when we invite them to be part of this study, we can see just their face basically glowing, because they can see, oh, they are doing something to maybe give us better possibilities. And yeah, so this is part what we do. And basically in Quinsanis lab, the lab that I'm part, we work with immune system. we don't work a lot with the cancer cells per se. We play around the immune system because the immune system, it is like the way that we can fight against cancer. So if you can win this battle, this is our immune system. We have a lot of things that we can do, thinking about how we can put this immune system to be stronger and smarter. So one of the ways it is, and that is exactly what I do, we do like immunotherapy, which is basically, I guess maybe you guys are a little bit familiarized about it, but like immunotherapy, it is like basically on the last 10 years, we are like growing and understanding better about that. But it's basically a way to like connect. We have like a specific molecules in any type of blood cancer. So in those, like we call them basically BTKs, or like monoclonal antibodies. What they have is like basically two arms. So one of those arms is gonna tag immune cell, and the other one is gonna tag the cancer cell. So this is gonna help the immune cells to find the cancer cells and kill it, because that is one of the biggest problems for cancer. The immune cells, they don't really recognize the cancer cells, or sometimes they do recognize, but the cancer cells have some things that they can just stop the immune cells to be active and kill them. So, and that is a huge thing. So we work with the immunotherapy part, and we also do, which is for me like the most fantastic part, it is the exercise one, because we take like this immunotherapy part and we put people to do exercise, which can sound crazy, but what we are trying to do and what we do at the lab, it is we have people like you guys, we put these people to do exercise, like just 30-20 minutes of exercise, and then we take those cells during exercise and we do a lot of assays with this. Who here exercise like frequently? Okay, basically everybody kind of. And who enjoy it? Like, do you guys enjoy it? Who likes to do exercise? Okay, so now I'm gonna give you an extra point to like keep doing exercise every single day. Okay, when we are doing exercise, we increase basically like a 30% in our circulation the cells that they kill cancer. So we have two types of cells in our immune system. They are the most important ones. They are the soldiers to kill the cancer. Those are the NK cells, natural killer cells, and the T cells. Those are the ones that they're gonna kill the cancer. And when we are doing exercise, those cells, they came from the tissues, they go to the circulation, and they are basically trying to find cancer cells, and they're gonna kill them fast and like a very easily. So what we do, it is we put someone to do exercise like in a bicycle, in a stationary bike, and during like 20 minutes. And I can tell you, it's not hard. It's something that everybody here can do. I already did like, I don't know, 5 times. So, and during this time, we take the blood and then we do assays with this blood. And what we are seeing, we also don't forget about the immunotherapy. We combine this with the immunotherapy. What we are seeing, it is we are getting really good data, like a better results when we take cells from like this time that we are exercising and we are doing all our assays, like combining with like the cancer cells. So the exercise is a huge thing. It is big. So that is one of the reasons why I'm super happy to like give this talk here today, because we are going for this. And of course there is like a lot more, because we are just supporting here today science. We are supporting cancer treatments for kids that they cannot handle it, and we are also like giving hope for this field. So I'm here representing my lab and saying like thank you so much to be here, and I feel like I'm open for questions, or maybe we can go for this hike. Yeah.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I'd be super happy. We can be talking during the walk as well for like the questions. Or if you guys want to know more, I can.
Does anybody have any questions or anything?
Yeah.
Or right now?
Just feel super free to it.
Oh, we have a
Ask
question
me.
from one of our Girl Scouts. Yes. How
old is Jazmine?
Oh, that's here. And actually, so Jazmine, this walk honors her. She passed away at 16 months, but this walk actually helps us take steps that she wasn't able to take. And so we love that everybody is out here. We love the Girl Scouts. We love Dr. Late that are honoring her and helping us kind of extend the work to help other kids as well. Great question. Any other questions? No? Okay, great. Well, like Dr. Late said, we are able to answer questions, and she's going to be doing the hike, so it's going to be awesome. Thank you so much for coming out and being a part of this. And before we wrap up, we do also want to make our donation. Like I said at the beginning, every dollar helps with the pediatric cancer research and the work that you are doing. So we'd love to present a check to you all for the funds we're able to donate. Awesome. Let me grab that.
Right behind you.
Me? Okay.
I guess I forgot to say that, but we just work with pediatric cancers. Like all the cell lines and everything that we do is like all pediatric ones. And yeah, and especially like the job that I'm doing, we work with it's a type of leukemia that just commit 85% of the kids. So it's the most common type of leukemia. And I'm getting really good data on it.
That's awesome.
Hey.
Well, on behalf of Jazmine's Journey and our entire board, we'd like to present this check to you all for $2,000 with the help of our amazing sponsors who have donated, the partnership with the Girl Scouts, many of the Girl Scouts who are here today. We hope that this money goes to really help continue the research and to advance everything so that we, in Jazmine's honor, can do so much more in the future. So
Thank you.
thank you so much.